Welcome back! I hope you had a refreshing break. I'm excited to inform you that H2O Hydrogen Torch has successfully completed all the new models. Now, let's determine the model or the experiment that achieved the highest MAP, mean average precision. By observing the completed experiments, we can conclude that this following experiment obtained the best MAP score compared to the other experiments. By navigating to the View Experiments page, we can observe that our initial experiment achieved a lower MAP value, while our newly rebuilt model attained a significantly higher and commendable MAP value. This indicates that our efforts to improve the model have yielded excellent results. What I find especially interesting about the View Experiments page is that after locating the results of your models, you have the option to filter the table by name. Suppose you're specifically interested in project names containing tutorial-2A. In that case, you can simply click on the name value in the first column, scroll down to find tutorial-2A and select it. Once you do this, only the experiments that match this name will be displayed on the screen, narrowing down your view to the desired subset. Furthermore, below the table, you'll find a Compare Experiments button that allows you to choose specific experiments for comparison. Let's go ahead and click on the Compare Experiments button. On the next page, we can select two experiments by clicking on the circle located in front of their respective names. This will enable us to compare these chosen experiments with each other. Let's select our initial experiment called tutorial-2A and the best performing model in terms of MAP metric. I will scroll to the bottom of the table and choose both of them. Of course, if you prefer, you can select and compare more than two experiments simultaneously. However, for now, let's stick with two experiments and click the Compare Experiments button once again. The new window that appears shows us the main charts for both our experiments, representing their step progression with two different colors, blue and orange. In the Experiment Comparison menu, you'll find the Charts tab along with the Config tab, which presents hyperparameters for each experiment in a table format, allowing easy side-by-side comparison. The Show Differences Only option hides identical values, streamlining analysis and revealing variations among experiments promptly. This table showcases differences in hyperparameter settings between the two experiments, covering the backbone model, embedding size, learning rate, and other hyperparameters. By strategically adjusting the backbone architecture and learning rate during hyperparameter tuning, we managed to enhance the performance of our best model. After you have finished, you can click on the back button to come back to the main View Experiments page.